What if I told you the world as we know it is about to transform forever? Not from war, not from disaster, but from something scientists call the singularity. And what if I told you there isn't just one singularity coming, but 7, and they're all converging right now? Hey everyone! In our previous videos, we explored how AI is reshaping our world, but today we're going bigger. Because this isn't just about AI, this is about 7 points of no return that will completely transform what it means to be human. Only a small percentage of viewers actually subscribe. If you want to stay ahead of these world-changing events before they happen, hit that subscribe button now and smash the like button. It literally takes 1 second and helps us tremendously. Number 7, the technological singularity, the moment AI becomes smarter than humans and starts improving itself. Ray Kurzweil, Google's director of engineering, believes that by 2045, just 20 years away, we'll merge with AI and achieve digital immortality. That's not sci-fi. That's what one of the world's top tech minds is predicting. But others, like Nick Bostrom, warn if we don't align AI's goals with ours, it could be humanity's last invention. Drop a comment below. Would you merge your brain with AI if it meant living for 500 years? The responses so far have been shocking. Number 6, the biological singularity. We're about to take evolution into our own hands. This man with the wizard beard is Aubrey de Grey. He believes aging is just a disease and that we can cure it. His research? It aims to extend human life by centuries. And Harvard geneticist George Church, he's rewriting the code of life with CRISPR tech. They've already edited genes from extinct animals. Human enhancement is next. Imagine choosing your child's eye color, their intelligence, even athletic ability. This isn't the future. It's happening in labs right now. Number 5, the Nanotech Singularity. Tiny robots, smaller than a human cell, that can build anything, atom by atom. Eric Drexler, the father of nanotech, calls these engines of creation. They could eliminate disease by repairing cells from the inside out. And the military applications? Even more transformative. Invisible surveillance, supermaterials, molecular level control. The race is on, and whoever masters nanotech could reshape the physical world itself. If your mind is blown by nanobots, smash that like button. The algorithm loves it, and it helps this channel enormously. Number 4, the Energy Singularity. Unlimited, clean energy that could end scarcity forever. For decades, fusion power has been 30 years away. But now, recent breakthroughs have changed everything. We're talking about the power of the sun in a bottle. Physicist Michio Kaku believes this will push us into becoming a Type 1 civilization, harnessing all the energy of our planet, and after that, massive Dyson structures, capturing the full power of the sun. But here's the question. Will this power be shared with everyone, or just the elite few who can afford it? Number 3, the consciousness singularity. What if human awareness is about to make a quantum leap? Terence McKenna spoke of a time wave 0, a moment where novelty and consciousness reach critical mass, redefining reality itself. Recent studies at Imperial College London show psychedelics can permanently increase connectedness in the brain. And neuroscientist Christoph Koch, he thinks consciousness might be a fundamental property of the universe. Major corporations are already embracing mindfulness, but that's just scratching the surface of what expanded consciousness could mean for humanity. Ever had an experience that made you question reality itself? Share it in the comments. I read every comment, and I'll pin the most mind-blowing one. Number 2, the TwinSingularities, economic and information. 2 sides of the same digital coin. Martin Ford warns, automation won't just take blue-collar jobs. It's coming for doctors, lawyers, and even programmers. Up to 60% of jobs could disappear in the next decade. That's why tech leaders are talking about universal basic income. Is it compassion or preparation for a post-work future? Meanwhile, human knowledge now doubles every 12 hours. Your brain can't keep up, so algorithms now choose what you see. Jaron Lanier calls this digital totalitarianism. Number 1, the ecological singularity. Unlike the others, this one is already here. James Lovelock's Gaia hypothesis suggests Earth acts as a self-regulating organism. And right now, that organism has a fever. This isn't just about climate change. We're hitting ecological tipping points. ones we might never come back from. The Amazon, permafrost, oceans turning acidic. Paul Hawken's Project Drawdown gives us hope, but the window is closing fast. We must act within this decade or face cascading system collapse. Here's what makes these singularities truly extraordinary. They're converging. Each one accelerates the others. AI speeds up gene editing. Nanotech makes better solar panels. Expanded consciousness leads to new social systems. We are standing at the most critical crossroads in human history. One path, a future where these technologies serve only the few. The other, a world where breakthroughs uplift all of humanity. And the difference between these futures, it's not the tech, it's our consciousness. It's the choices we make right now. So tell me in the comments, which singularity terrifies you the most? Or which one gives you hope? The debate in the comments has been incredible. If this video opened your eyes, destroy that like button right now. It takes 1 second, and it helps this channel reach more people who need to hear this. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive, where we really reveal which singularity is most likely to happen first. The answer might shock you. See you in the next video.